How to fix the problem like WhatsApp verification code is not receiving on your phone. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can fix the problem like WhatsApp verification code not received in your phone. So on this process, you will have to firstly open your settings. So simply tap on the settings, and here you have to go for the options like apps. So simply click on this apps, and here you have to find the app WhatsApp. So okay, so find the WhatsApp app and tap on it. And here you have to check for the notification section. So simply click on this notification section. And here you have to allow every notification that might be helpful to you while receiving the code on your phone. So simply allow the notification section on your WhatsApp. So simply allow the notification. And after that, you will have to go for the options like storage. And here you have to click on this clear cache option. Okay, so after that, your problem might be solved and you might be receiving the code. So if you are still facing this problem, you will have to go back and open your browser. So simply I'm opening the Chrome browser. And from here, you'll have to type for WhatsApp support. Okay, so on the first, you can see the WhatsApp support. So simply click on this WhatsApp support. And from here, please use the options like WhatsApp Messenger support and click on this contact us section. And from here, you'll have to choose your country and enter your number here. And again, you will have to enter the email address and likewise confirm the email address. And here you have to provide your system or device that you are using with your account. So simply you have to choose. And from here, you'll have to describe or mention your problem that you are facing with the WhatsApp. So from here, your problem will directly forward to the WhatsApp team. So after you explain the problem to the WhatsApp team will contact within 24 hours. So they will provide you further steps for the solving process of that problem. So that's all. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channels for more short tech tutorial like this, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Thank you for watching this video.